Every time a new phone is about to launch, we start expecting something crazy. Like, this is gonna change everything kind of energy. And then it drops and it's like, okay, cool. But I've kinda seen this before. Now here's the interesting part. This time, Samsung isn't even trying to fool you with that. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8, at first look, might actually feel boring. No dramatic redesign. No what is that moment. No instant shock factor. And you know what? That might be exactly why this phone could be special. Because instead of chasing that first impression, Samsung is finally focusing on what you feel after using the phone for a full day. Let me explain. If you've ever used a foldable, you already know the truth. It's amazing when you open it. Feels futuristic. Turns heads. But a few hours later, you're checking your battery again. You're lowering brightness again. You're thinking, I hope this lasts till evening. That excitement, it slowly turns into stress. And it looks like Samsung finally gets it. Because this time they didn't start with the design. They started with the problem. The Fold 8 is expected to come with a 5,000 mAh battery. Now that might sound like just a number, but in real life, that means freedom. Freedom to watch more, scroll more, work more, live more without that constant anxiety in the back of your mind. And then finally, something people have been waiting years for. Faster charging. We're talking about 45W charging. And if you've been following Samsung, you know how overdue this is. This isn't just a bit faster. This is the difference between waiting around and getting on with your day. Now here's the part that might confuse people. The phone is slightly thicker. And I already know some people are gonna complain. Why is it thicker? Why not make it slimmer? But think about it. Would you really trade battery life just to save a couple millimeters? Exactly. Sometimes progress doesn't look flashy, feels practical. And that's what this phone is about. But wait, there's something else. Something Samsung isn't showing you clearly yet. There are strong rumors about a second foldable. A wider one, bigger screen, more immersive. Almost like it's built to challenge Apple before Apple even enters the game. And honestly, that's way more exciting than just another new design, because this feels intentional. It feels like they're not asking, how do we impress people for 5 minutes? They're asking, how do we make this phone better for the next 5 hours? Or even the whole day? And that's a completely different mindset. A phone that looks new for a few days, or a phone that actually feels better every single day you use it. Think about that. Because if Samsung gets this right, this might be the moment foldables stop being cool gadgets and start becoming normal. And that is a much bigger deal than it sounds. I'll catch you in the next one.